In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inversion, fair value, gap signals, quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get the inversion, fair value, gap signals indicator onto your Tradingview chart, so you can start using it in your own analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine here. We just need a chart as our starting point. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. On most layouts, this sits near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the main Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all the built-in tools and community scripts. Inside the search bar at the top of that window, type the word Inversion. Take a moment to spell it correctly, because if there's a typo, the script won't show up. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of available indicators based on your search term. In the search results that appear below, look for the script called Inversion Fair Value Gap Signals. The exact position in the list can change depending on what you've used recently or what's trending, but it should show up as long as you've typed the name correctly. When you see Inversion Fair Value Gap Signals, click on it once. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added directly to your active chart. You should notice new markings or signals that highlight fair value gaps according to the logic built into the script. If you want to tweak how it looks or behaves, you can open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, visibility, or any user inputs the script provides. If you plan to use this tool regularly, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan, so you can run more indicators at the same time and unlock some of the advanced features. I've included my affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description below this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it can give you a smoother experience if you're serious about charting and using multiple indicators together. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the inversion fair value gap signals to your Tradingview chart.